But anyway, give thanks if you just join us. If you're on Facebook, remember to like and share the page. If you're on YouTube with us, make sure you join us each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio because it's an Upnlive show. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the videos when you see them. Share them with your friends. Don't keep them for yourself, right? Because every week we have the best and the best. And we have the artist here. He's been doing crazy works over the years. He's been a fan of the show. He's also been a very predominant reggae artist. He's been doing loads of songs, been steadily progressing through the scene. And you know, we like that. And we decided to just bring him to the studio now to have a conversation. People, Hardrive is here. He's pressing. Hardrive Pressin.
Bless up. Give thanks, warrior. Give thanks. Upnlive show. Yeah, man, a real thing. Let the world know.
It's been a while.
A real thing, man. A long time. You know, a long time. One come in the studio, come make the people know what go on. You know.
Exactly.
Real thing, my brother.
So who is Hardrive Pressin? And the name as well. Just explain the name for me.
The name Hardrive Pressin is the name has got the meaning. Going hard. Anything you do in life, just go at it hard. You know what I'm saying? No resting.
But one could determine the name as if you're like a hard drive for a laptop or you're...
No, this is not a computer hard drive. Sync cloth, chain gear, and we start drive, but it's not a computer hard drive.
So it's a fast driving business.
Fast drive. So the name hard drive, it just mean when you're doing anything in a life, just go at it.
You just
know
go in
what I'm
and,
saying?
I
Go
understand.
hard.
I get the concept.
Don't stop. Keep pressing.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about your musical journey and your musical upbringing. So at what stage of your life you decide you want to become an artist?
You know, say about 4 years now, me decide say this is the road for me. But I've been in the music industry, writing music behind the scene. I've always been a guy behind the scene, you know.
So who you write for? Talk now.
Just writing for myself in general. I'm not write for no artist yet, you know. But I've just writing my own music. But the last 4 years, me decide to say, you know what, take it up as a profession, bring the music out there. And so that's why I've just been recording and mastering my skills out there, you know.
Okay, so you're relatively brand spanking new artist. Because when I met you a couple years ago, you obviously with up on the scene, bar, full place. Yes, always forward to me. You're sending me music, sounding good as well. But you more considered on the one drop reggae side.
No, you know, say everything me doing, brother. I just through, you know, the portfolio as yet still, but I've got crazy amount of different music, different style, different dramas. But you know, you can't put out everything one time, so you have to start with something.
All right. No, you see you have a different style, different drama. We know we have live band inside Barra Bar every Tuesday. Now tonight we have extra 2 hours done in Barra Bar. So can we hear some of those new stuff, some of those hardcore dancehall music that you've been working on over these years?
That's what you're gonna be hearing tonight down at Barra Bar for sure.
No, cause remember in a hard person, you know. Remember today bad boy shoes have an o'clock's being so.
Okay, what you say? You want to hear something in a studio today?
Yeah, sting shoes, them, you know. Them are buckle fling shoes, you know.
Okay, I hear that.
Shandy buckle shoes, them, you know.
Of course, we're gonna go there and we're gonna get to them. But the most important thing now, we just need the people to know that you're Hardrive, the artist, recording artist, and you're doing music. So for people who's meeting you for the first time, how would you like them to take you as a person, as an artist? What would you like them to more likely to remember about you as an individual or an artist?
You see, right now still, I just want the people them to tune into Hardrive Pressin. Just follow the thing, get to know what me I deal with, because me sure know I got something that you will like, you know, the package, you know. So just follow the growth, the progress, support the artists when them grow. You know, you can't just wait till them reach on the top where you want to support them.
Exactly.
So me just look for widen my platform as an artist, build up the momentum, and make people just get to hear the sound, hear the music that me I deal with. You know, just spread the sound across the world, basically.
Okay, so all right, so this is what we do. Because you're a relatively new artist, and we don't really know much about your music, and people who on the live or who's going to see this video, we just want them to get actually a feel of what you sound like and the type of music you're doing. So what we're going to do right now, we're just going to have a little joy and play some songs and your voice. That make sense?
That makes sense.
Okay, cool. So everybody on live right now, if you're watching this, give us some comments or the artist on live. We're going to drop some songs, dragging out the film. You know it, guy ready? Up on live, so let's go.
Mad speed. Hardrive Pressin, tell the world please, your people, let them all know.
I can't hear the sound. Alright.
Hey, mad speed a road, yeah. I'm in name Hardrive Pressin. Why you tell the world, please, and let them all know? Well, 6 figure, big figure. Well, triple up, get the thing bigger. Coulda, small pond, big river. Man on a fish, swim, man a real swimmer. Clock speed, top speed, real presser. Hard drive, right now me need my dinner. Poverty, when me born I go die in a full speed, man a press just me up on life. Well, me know you no pre-people thing nice car, but you no pre-people bad mind. That will make you do evil. Some sit down on the plateau fi hard drive put the work in. Like said me the gym and me a workout. Me know that's something that be workout. Put me all in. Full speed, man, I press I'm going all out. Emergency whip and the money call out. Shake the money tree, tell the money fall out. Hungry belly of the people, them up and live. Well, me know you no pre-people thing nice car, but you no pre-people rim bad mind. That will make you do evil. Some sit down on the plateau we take people. Drive, tell them me no pre-people thing nice car, but we no pre-people. Yo. Keep it moving until the world please at mall now. Full speed, I'm in the Hardrive Pressin for the ladies, yeah? Alright then. Yo! Hard drive, sing clutch and gear, well let me start drive. I no bus, I no train, I no car drive. No, I no computer. Hard drive say, ring up the phone in the morning, love. And I tell me that she fall in love. To make it body charming love. Girl, them a say them a me darling. Them a ring in the morning, love. And I tell me that she fall in love. To make it body charming love. Girl, them a say them a me hard drive say, oh this a ring me so early. Look at the time, it's about 4:30. Girl a ring me fi tell me she miss me. All a tell me a boyfriend a history. Yo, we a travel. Up on live team, make them know we a travel. Yo, me a travel, we a travel. Are you ready? Full speed when we a travel. I drive, man a travel, we a travel. Wait, we a travel. Are you ready? Let them know. Hey, man a travel at a mad speed. Full speed, them a wonder how we not crash. Hey, I no bus, we no car crash. Adrenaline pumping so we can't stop. Get to you, them a go want cash. Want cash, coulda slow, coulda fast cash. Me, just tired of the small cash. Poverty, we have to pass that slip on the well. Right now I'm in the speed zone. From me a little juvenile, me have to leave home. Start to rump on the street, well for my own. Me, can't depend on no guy own. For the nice car, for the nice home. Couple to be with me wife home. Bad mind, we have a shine chrome. And we security tight like a fine comb. I drive, well, man I travel at a mad speed. Full speed, them I wonder how we not crash. Hey, I no bus in a car crash. Adrenaline pumping so we can't. Yo, I drive. You ready again? Up on live team, you know, make them all know, you know, full speed we see out there, you know. We not arrest the thing. I press, we a press. For the ladies them, yeah? Ladies, yo. Welcome to my fitness class. I drive the fitness boss. My girl, move your hip them fast. Jiggle up your body, girl, shake up your ass. Welcome to my fitness class. I drive the fitness boss. My girl, move your hip them fast. Jiggle up your body, girl. I drive say, can you do yoga? Can your leg touch your shoulder? Girl, can you bend for your soldier? For you know so you don't carry order. When me see why the man them want you. Girl, you make the man them want you. All your ex-boyfriends still a stalk you. Give me your number, let me. I'm like the high-grade skunk when you blend it with the crossbreed. Man, I travel at a fast speed. Full speed, them not in a me Ross league. Welcome to the boss league. Like the high-grade skunk when you blend it with the crossbreed. Man, I travel at a... Well, me name, when me name, you know me name.
Hardrive is a name.
Big clutch chain deal, let me start drive.
Of course. You know, me like the local format here. I feel this is the best way for really like new artists yourself. We just give it a platform and just say, you know what, just do your thing.
Burn a fire.
Yeah, make people just be the judge of the craft rather than we. Because sometimes the conversation can get long and winded.
Alright, so
that's the point, right? So when you just open the vocals and you just do what you need to do, people can say, okay, I saw him sound, and the artist that. Don't make sense?
Be a different thing in the market. Alright. No say nothing. Just run rhythm DJ.
Yes, no, with the broad rhythm. We have to pay the bills, you know what, sir?
Alright, no say nothing. No say nothing with brother.
Of course, the most important thing right now, we need to get your name and socials. Hardrive is the name. What's the social media angles?
Hardrive Pressin. Everything out there, our platform.
How do you spell it? H-A-R?
H-A-R-D-R-I-V-E. and this Pressin, Pressin. Hardrive Pressin. You can't miss it. Anyways, the one and only thing out there, name, so.
Okay, are you on Spotify or are you on iTunes yet?
I am right now. Just released the first single.
And the name of the track is?
No Pre.
No Pre.
No Pre.
So make sure people go Pre, that's something there.
Go Pre that thing there, No Pre.
Of course,
Right
iTunes,
now.
Spotify, it's there.
Everything, every platform.
Okay, we're gonna drop one more song and you just leave us with this one. Can we give us one last little 60 seconds, not over 60 seconds, something fast, right?
All right then.
Ready up?
Run it.
Alright, Juggan, give me some.
Wanna have something again?
Yeah, man, anything I find. Let's go.
Production.
60 seconds, let's go.
Hey, let me sing a song for the girls. Them slow it down a little bit, yeah. Gonna take a room, gonna take a room, gonna take a room tonight. Gonna take a room, gonna take a room, gonna take a room tonight. Well, I'm gonna take a room and wrap her up in a me sheet tonight. Cause she a move up her body like say she wanna geek tonight. Girl, I'm not Superman, but I take you on a flight. No sleep, no rest tonight. I drive me a press tonight. Girl, I'ma take you home and wrap you up in a me sheet tonight. Yes, she a move up her body like say she wanna get tonight. Girl, well I'm not Superman, but I take you on a flight. Yes, but no sleep, no rest tonight. I drive me a press tonight. Girl, I'm hypnotized. The way you move your thighs, you get the prize. That's no surprise. Fitting on yourself through your exercise. You let my nature rise. Now me feel alive. Hope you like to fly. Life in the sky, 40,000 feet. Looking down beneath. Next destination. Where you wanna go? Dubai? Mansion in the sky? Let's fly.
A positive critique. I think you should sing more, yeah? The sing work better for you. I hear everything what you say. You understand? I'm just real. Yeah, whether you want to take it or you want to take it as a compliment or whichever you want to take it.
As I said, we have something for everybody, right?
Yeah.
You see? You find your thing.
Exactly. Give thanks for passing through. It was a pleasure having you here, right? And big up to you and all the best to you in the career moving forward, all right?
Give thanks, my brother.
Any last
you know,
words?
you're nothing yet right now, no people. I just want to tune in, follow Hardrive thing, support the thing. Cause right now, you see this year, for the rest of the year and the new year coming,
Yeah.
we have some big things planned. You know what I'm saying? We have some big song to release to the world. We come to make the people them dance. We come to educate the people them. We come to uplift the people them with Hardrive Pressin music. Yeah?
Exactly.
I want the people them to just get to know me a little bit better.
Yeah.
Not really a public person out there like that, but me go and do the work through the music and, you know, spread the message through there like
Exactly, and that was the main intention of the interview, so people get to know you and get to understand you that you're here. So when you have more material and then things up and running again, we have another conversation. All right, make sense?
Of course, my brother, abundance of material there. So now I say nothing, man. We'll link up regular and make the thing work.
Keep that. See it? Remember, people keep it locked on. You know how